Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today I have to teach you a chapter titled The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. This is the chapter which I have to teach you today. This chapter has been written by William Elliot Griffiths, and through this very chapter, author has some message for we common people. Generally, in this very chapter, the author has took a story from Japanese culture. Means the story is totally based on Japanese folk story. It is totally based on Japanese folk story. Whatever scenario, whatever folk story is famous in Japan, in this story, the same thing is available. In this story, there is an old couple, and the couple has no any son or any daughter. Due to this, the couple was not feeling very happy, very comfortable. So, for the purpose of removing the tension, couple made a dog pet, and the dog started to live with the couple. This couple loved the dog very much, and the dog was also loving the couple very much. The old husband and wife, the old couple, they used to provide all variety of food material to the dog, but the dog was very faithful towards his master. Even the old couple, they try to use their personal fork. Fork means we can say that for the purpose of eating, people use a spoon, but here the fork is also used for some special variety of food for the purpose of eating. So the old couple, they use forks for the purpose of feeding their dog, and in this way everything was very fine. The life was going on. The couple was a farmer. The old man used to work hard in his field day and night, and he was producing some amount of food material. Here every day the old man used to go to his farm, and with this old man the dog was also going to the field. The old man was working in the field, the dog was also there. And at that very time in the field, a heron also appeared. So when the farmer started to work in his field, the heron also started to follow the farmer, and heron tried to pick the worms from the field, and in this way this system was continued. The dog never harmed the heron, and the dog followed his master old man. So here everything was going very very fine. One day this dog came in the leg of the old man, and he tried to indicate him that you have to follow me. The master old man, he started to follow the dog, and after reaching at particular place, the dog started to scratch the ground, and the dog showed the sign to his master that you have to dig this very place. The farmer started to dig the field, and for this very purpose, after digging the field, the farmer got a pot full of gold coins, and after getting that pot full of gold coins, farmer came to his house, and with the help of that pot of coins, farmer became rich. So farmer helped the people who were living in his house, in his village, and also he invited his friends, he invited his neighbors. This message reached in his village, and in that village there was an old wigged couple. When this couple came to know about the dog, about that very pot full of gold coins. Then the couple came to the house of old man, and he said, and this couple said that they are willing to keep their dog for some time. And this old couple became ready, and in this way this dog was taken by the old big couple. After taking this dog to his house, this old couple provided him delicious food material in the plate, and the plate was full with the food material. But the dog was very fearful. Due to this, dog did not eat even a single piece of food material. So after that, the big old couple, they took the dog from their house or from their garden, and in this way they started to move outside, so that the dog would search the place where the gold coin might be hidden. After covering some distance, the dog started to scratch a place where there was a pine tree. The old couple became very happy, and will old couple started to dig that very place. And after digging, the old couple found that there was a dead chicken. The smell was so sharp that this old big couple became very angry, and this old big couple killed this dog. And after killing, they throw that very dog in that very dig, and on the body of the dead dog they covered soil. They returned to their house, and after some days, the original couple, the honest old couple, they came to know about the death of their dog. And after knowing this very matter, they reached to the burial place of the dog, and there they offered some amount of food material. Many times they recited the name of this dog. This dog was named Muko. This old couple named the dog Muko. So this Muko word was recited many times, and the old couple returned from the grave of this old dead dog. At night, this old couple saw a dream, and in that very dream, the spirit of dog came, and this dog said that actually they should cut the pine tree which is standing near his grave, and after cutting from that very pine tree, they must make a mortar and also a mill. Mill means flour mill. So whatever dog suggested old couple in the dream, that was followed, that was done by the old couple. And when there was the arrival of New Year, on that very time, the old couple wanted to prepare some special type of food material. So when the unripe food was kept in the mortar, it changed into pieces of gold. And also when the rice was kept in the mill, once again that also changed in the form of gold coins. These very situation was seen by the old big couple. And again, old big couple came to the house of old couple and said that now they are willing to borrow mortar and mill both. this old couple was honest, so they gave their mortar and wheel both, and after reaching house, this old couple put some unripe food material, some unripe grains in the mortar and also in the wheels. So on the place of coils from this very mortar, the insects started to release, and after getting insects, this old wicked couple became very angry, and they burned this mortar and mill. So this mortar and mill, which was made of pine trees, changed into ashes. Again at night, the spirit of dead dog came in the dream of old couple, and the dog said, actually the mortar and mill which was given to the wicked couple, that has been already burnt. So you go to him and you take the ashes and sprinkle that very ashes on the plants, then after that you will have some fruitful result. This honest old couple went to the house of old wicked couple and demanded the ashes of their mortar and mills. Listening this statement, this old wicked couple became very surprised, and they started to deny that actually they have not burnt, but after that they became ready. So some amount of ashes of mortar and mills was given to old wicked couple, and after coming from the house of this couple, they came to their house and they put the ashes near the plant which was totally dry. That plant the flower started to blossom in that dry plant, and this was a type of miracle for the people who were living in the village of old couple. And this old couple, they came to know that Deamos, who is a landlord in Japan. Generally in India, the people who have a large part of land, that is called landlord. But in Japan, they are called Deamos. So when the Deamos was about to come through a particular place, this old couple, they climbed on the tree, and from the tree they started to sprinkle this acid, and those very acids changed in the form of flowers. The Deamo became very happy, and the Deamo welcomed old couple in his palace, and Deamo provided him, gave him a large amount of money and also the valuable gift. This old couple came to know about these things, and again this old couple had some ashes left, so they also wanted to do the same, and they also called the people that they are going to play a music. But after putting the ashes near the dry plant, nothing was any miracle situation. And when the Deamo was about to go through the road, this old wicked couple started to sprinkle the ashes, and that very ashes spread, mixed in the air, and due to mixing in the air, the Deamos and his wife faced many problems. Means the ashes entered in their eyes and also nose and mouth, and it created a great problem for the Deamo. So Deamo became very angry, and the army of Deamos, they beat this old wicked couple to death. And here a story ends, but the message of the story is this: